You guys, I am at the outlet at 6:22, and this is the first time since before the shutdown that I didn't have to virtual queue. It's only right now, she said, because it's not busy at the very moment. There's like nobody waiting in the queue, so I was able just to get in the regular line. Came in within 5 minutes. We're gonna look around here. We're gonna see what they have, how much it is, just like always. Ooh, I hadn't seen this one, Star Wars Day at Sea. If you guys see anything that you like in this video, you can check my friend's website out. Link is in the description. It's www.outlet.com. I hope everyone has been doing well the past couple weeks since I've seen you last. Last month I bought one of these and I love it every single day that I use it. I really do. And they have the Nightmare Before Christmas. Look at that. It is only $7.99. I have a really pretty princess pins today, $3.99. And these were normally, I believe, $9.99 in the parks. So lately there hasn't been a lot of new stuff at the outlets. So I'm just going to show you what they have so you know what's here this day. So if you're planning on coming, you're planning on visiting, you're local, you want to know what's in the store so you don't have to go, wait in line. There is normally a virtual queue. It just, right now, an hour and a half before they closed, was not existent. But also, it has gotten much slower since the stock has not been replenished very much. Like, they're not really getting new things because there wasn't that much new merchandise last year. So, there's not, you know, like I said, too many new things. But one of these days, again, there will be. But there's always usually great things to find here for great deals. I am going to show you everything that they have, like I said, since it's been a couple weeks, and I want you to know in case you want to know. I guess while you're watching the video, you probably want to know. But anyway, the clothes, a lot of it is looking very empty-ish, like not as full as normal. So we're going to go through so you guys can see. Remember, there was a price spike a month or so ago where shirts like this that were maybe $12.99 or $19.99. This is adorable. I think this is one of the newer things here. This is $9.99. It says $29.99. It's a really great deal. They have Haunted Mansion leggings. I had not seen those at the outlet before. I wish they had my size. Look at these. They were $40 in the parks. They're $19.99 here at the outlet. And here are the other leggings they have. Haunted Mansion's the only new ones that I see. I haven't seen this before. That's cool. Has all the parks, so it's like a 4 parks tee, $19.99 instead of $36.99. There's a few new tank tops that I just really, really love. I love the quotes on them, or the saying, who is the fairest one of all? That one's really cool, has a retro look to it. It was $35, it's $19.99. This one I absolutely love, make it pink, make it blue. Not only is the writing different colors, it also has like this metallic writing on a couple, one in pink, one in blue. Then look at the trim, it's pink and blue. Like, how fun is this? And this was $30, it's $19.99. And then they have this one, Now Shall You Deal With Me. That's cool, $19.99 instead of $35. Here are the Spirit jerseys that are in the store today. You have the ink and paint, you have the Coral Disneyland, that one is absolutely gorgeous. You have the Belle of the Ball bronze down there. You have the retro Walt Disney World, and there's one of these Walt Disney World pastel tie-dye that is gorgeous. Spirit jerseys at the outlets used to be $24.99, $70 in the parks. Now they're $44.99, but still that's like a lot cheaper than the parks. Here's one of the women's clothing racks. You can see that there are a lot of tanks right here, which are perfect for summer this time of year. I like this one, Disney State of Mind. That's what I have. Do you guys have a Disney State of Mind? I'm pretty sure you do if you're watching this video. This is $25, it was $35. Not the biggest discount. You know, a shirt like that would have used to have been $12.99. You guys should comment below. Tell me what you think about the price increase. That was the selection. I guess there's not too much to do about the selection because of the issues that everybody has been through last year. And there's probably not too much to do about the prices because, you know, people are hurting right now. But this is new here. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. That is so cute. I'm a Beautiful Butterfly. It's a crop top. $19.99 instead of $36.99. There's also a Pandora I hadn't seen yet. It's an extra small. Well, that is very, very small. Really small. But it's very pretty. And it's from the Animal Kingdom, $17.99 instead of $35. Let's continue looking here to see if we see anything else new. As in things that I haven't seen before. Well, that's pretty. I love the color. I'm really, really liking this kind of color this year. I had nails that color and I love them. And I miss them. And this is so soft. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to see how much it is. It's just so soft. Look at the sleeve. It's folded so it doesn't look like a plain, you know, like a plain graphic tee. It's a little cuter, if you will, style-wise. $19.99 instead of $36.99. There's an Incredible shirt. We're still in the ladies section. This was $36.99. It's $19.99. Like I said, you know, the shelves and the racks are not overflowing with merchandise, but there's a lot. It's definitely not empty. And it's definitely a better price than the parks, and it's definitely a fun experience to be able to come here. This is $17.99 instead of $35. Oh, that would be a perfect night shirt if it's not, wouldn't it? Anyway, I was saying earlier, you guys comment below, let me know what you think about everything. Like, are you still coming to the outlet? What are your wait times lately? I thought it was pretty cool today. In the past, if you came this late, you wouldn't get in because the wait, there were so many people in the virtual queue, but it was nice to be able to just walk in today for the first time in over a year. Look at this, Tarzan. This is one of my favorite cinch bags. This one is extra thick. The straps are extra thick. It's just like really durable, and it's made out of it seems like it'd be water resistant. It's not a normal cloth. I don't really know how to describe it. I'm trying to think of things that it reminds me of. Anyway, it's nice. Trust me, it's $14.99 instead of $25. Oop, isn't it pretty? It's from the ink and paint set. Very pretty. And they still have this pretty mini bow backpack for $15 instead of $30. There is a Tower of Terror shirt for ladies. That is cool. And a Tower of Terror pink. Oh, I love the Tower of Terror. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to get back in the parks. I do not go in the summer. $17.99 to $35 for that one. And this one is like 3/4 length sleeves. Very soft and thin. It glows in the dark. That one is $19.99 instead of $40. Here are the Disney dress shop dresses. They have Bo Peep. They have the Rainbow Unicorn. They have a Halloween shirt I loved from last year, but it's really cool because it's not dated. Just extra small though. This tote bag is $19.99 instead of $40. Oh, it's also from the ink and paint. That's pretty. I hadn't seen that one before. It's padded too, so it's just extra nice. They have a little Star Wars section over here. Now, we've seen this before in another video. And if you guys haven't seen all my videos, or you're curious to like the different stuff they've been having, or the price, you know, differences, or like how cheap and amazing things were and can still be, check out my other videos here on my channel. Go to playlist. There's Disney outlets. You can watch them there. And there's a lot of stuff in those videos that are still available in my friend's store that I told you guys in the beginning of the video. But this is $19.99 instead of $36.99. This is a tank. Look at the bottom of it. I like that. It's a little knot in it. And I remember when this first started coming out, everybody's like, I can't wait till Grogu goes to the outlet. This is $19.99 instead of $35. There's a 40th anniversary Empire Strikes Back for $19.99. We have seen these in our other videos. Once again, check those out. They have a Disney Chip and Dale Fruit Nut Snap Mix. And did I say Snap Mix? Snack Mix, 99 cents instead of like $6 or $7 in the parks. I actually bought a couple bags of these. They're very yummy. Here in Florida though, the white chocolate pieces just kind of like melted into blobs, so I have to keep mine in the refrigerator. But they were a couple weeks ago when I got mine, not stale or rancid or anything. They were still good. This is one of the coolest things here in my opinion. It's Tiny Kingdom. Tiny Kingdom is a pin set that they make at Disney. So this is, for example, is one of them, but you can just get this one in this map set. But what it is it hangs, see? And you add your pins to it. It was $25. Well, it says it's $25, but it's $7.99. It does come with the pin. So how fun is this? And you don't even have to use only Tiny Kingdom pins. You can get this hanging on your wall and hang your favorite Disney pins on there. Wouldn't that be cute? I think I might actually need to do that. Okay, over here to one of my favorite places, as you guys know, is the racks. Great deals on keychains, also phone cases. I know I have so many iPhone 10 phone cases, but I got a new phone now, so they don't have the, I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. By the way, this is my phone case. It's Harry Potter. I have a bunch of Disney ones too for my favorite phone case maker in the entire world. I'm telling you right now, this thing is not scratched at all. I've had it on here for like a month and a half. There's little raised things on the edges so it doesn't scratch. And I've dropped it and it's just like great. But anyway, it's wonder of a kind. And I'll link her below because she is my favorite. Like, my favorite. But anyway, I just have phone cases from her now. That's all I have now. And it's all I need. So I'm happy about that. But anyway, down here, I don't remember seeing the Stitch before. He's $4.99. And this is definitely new since I've last been here. These were in the little girl section of World of Disney, not with regular keychains, so I feel like they probably didn't sell very well. There's a rose gold zip pouch keychain that was $9.99, and you can put your change in there or whatever. SD card, that would be a good idea, right? And I believe that one is $4.99. And did you just see how cute Stitch is? He's a spinner. He spins. See, like those pens that are spinners? He spins around. And these are cute for your keys, and they're also cute as to hang on your bags, like your lounge flies, your backpack, stuff like that. I hadn't seen this Disney Tales Spirit jersey here before. It was from that series, the pretty blue and silver series they made for the Make-A-Wish, I believe it was. But that's $15 instead of $37. This is a pretty faux leather keychain. My eyes aren't good enough anymore to read. Is that writing on there? That little, is that writing? Ooh, if it is, I can't read it. Anyway, it's $5.99 and it's hard to read. They still have some great deals on autograph books. The Pixar autograph book, only $3.99 instead of $15. The Disney Parks autograph book for only 99 cents. I'm going to show you guys. It's not very busy right now. They're playing some High School Musical songs. There's people singing and dancing. I'm going to show you the phone cases now. They are right here around the corner. Right here. So as you can see, you guys, they're $7.99, and these phone cases were a lot in the parks, anywhere from $30 to $60. Some of them, like this, they're extra because they, I mean not extra money, but like extra cool. They are flip cases. I'm just going to show you. They even have, oh my goodness. So Otterbox, I finally had gotten one of these and then I get a new phone. I have never seen this one in here before, ever. The 4 Parks Otterbox, which I always did want. But they only have for iPhone 8 Plus and 7 Plus right now. And they have Peter Pan that glows in the dark. They have all of these awesome phone cases that are only $7.99 each. Such an amazing, amazing deal. There is a flower Disney headband, which they had at the Flower and Garden in years past, but it wasn't a Flower and Garden headband. It's just they went well with the event, but that's $9.99. And then there's plush that's $14.99. There's more plush. I do not see any new plush. The classic Mickey and Minnie are $12.99. They have some 2020 little magnetic, I think they're magnetic, photo frames. Yep, for only 99 cents here. Here are the Christmas ornaments and some Christmas pins. I don't see anything new since last time I was here. And I showed you mugs when I came in. And the only other mugs they have that I see here are the ABC Disney Parks. So behind the counter, you guys, they have a magic band that is from Run Disney. Now this is a limited edition of only 1,000, which is pretty low edition. It's from the Star Wars Arrival Run Half Marathon Weekend. There's the characters on it. And it's only $7.99 here at the outlet instead of, I think, $35. There's some Alex and Ani's they have, you guys, are only $12.99. Right there. Lots of Star Wars, those are cool. And I really can't believe how cheap those magic bands are. And there's a limit of 2 per person if you're here in the store, by the way. And you guys, it looks like I've come to the end of the video. So I'm going to show you here one of my other favorite places to look, by the front register. See, this is the checkout line right here. You know, these are the checkout right there, so you guys can see what it looks like. Always check behind the counters because you never know what's there. But I don't see anything new here, unless this is new. I don't really know if I don't think I remember seeing the Minnie Mouse one before. Actually, that's adorable. That is, I think, $9.99 instead of $15. That's cute. Yeah, but so here's what they have at the checkouts. You can find movies, art supplies, pens. These pens are only $1.99. These are great pens for character autographs when that starts back up because they're chunky, easy for the characters to hold. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video today and the music. I know a lot of people in the store are enjoying it. And I will be back next week. I will for another video. And if they don't have tons of new stuff next week, I will focus on an area of the store, like, for example, children's clothes. But in the meantime, you guys, stay safe, stay well, take care. I appreciate you guys. Glad to be back. Sorry I was missing for a couple weeks, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye.